very grateful to Panerai, to the hour markers and Red Bar for having me over, and I'm absolutely thrilled that to be amongst such interesting, engaging watch enthusiasts and Panerai fans.
I've been a long-term fan of Panerai and have been collecting Panerais for a long time. And I absolutely love the brand to the bits. The people who have a liking for Panerais and who share and are enthusiastic about Panerai. So we call ourselves Paneristes.
The watch community is the best community on this planet.
I've heard so many wonderful conversations about Panerai today, about watches today. And it's always very nice to be part of a set of people who know what they're talking about and are very passionate about it. It's always fun.